Hey there, home cooks! Welcome back to another exciting episode of our weekly recipe series. We're thrilled to have you here with us today. If you're new here, don't forget to click that subscribe button so you don't miss out on our weekly quick and easy recipes. We've got a lot of delicious content coming your way. Today, I've got a fun and delicious recipe for you: deviled eggs. These are a classic favorite that never goes out of style. And you know what? You can whip these up in just 3 minutes. Yes, you heard that right, just 3 minutes. So, let's jump right in and get started on this quick and tasty journey. First things first, let's gather our ingredients. It's always best to have everything ready before you start cooking. You'll need 6 large eggs, hard-boiled and peeled, 3 tablespoons mayonnaise, 1 teaspoon Dijon mustard, 1 teaspoon white vinegar, salt and pepper to taste, paprika for garnish. Optional: chopped chives or bacon bits for extra flavor. These add a nice touch and a bit of crunch. Alright, now that we have everything, let's start. It's time to transform these simple ingredients into something amazing. Step 1. Slice your hard-boiled eggs in half lengthwise and gently scoop out the yolks into a bowl. This is where the magic begins. Be careful not to break those egg whites. They need to stay intact to hold our delicious filling. Place the egg whites on a serving platter. They're going to be the perfect vessels for our creamy yolk mixture. Step 2. Using a fork, mash the yolks until they're nice and crumbly. This is the base of our filling. Add in your mayonnaise, Dijon mustard, white vinegar, and a pinch of salt and pepper. These ingredients will give our filling that classic deviled egg flavor. Mix everything until it's smooth and creamy. You want a nice, even consistency for easy filling. Step 3. Time to fill those egg whites. This is where it all comes together. You can use a spoon or, if you want to get fancy, transfer the yolk mixture into a piping bag or a plastic bag with the corner snipped off. This makes for a neat and professional look. Pipe or spoon the mixture back into the egg white halves. Make sure each one is generously filled. Step 4. Garnish with a sprinkle of paprika for that classic deviled egg look. It adds a pop of color and a hint of spice. And if you're feeling adventurous, add some chopped chives or crispy bacon bits on top. These little extras can really elevate the flavor. And there you have it. Perfect deviled eggs in just 3 minutes. They look amazing and taste even better. These are great for parties, picnics, or even a quick snack. They're always a hit, no matter the occasion. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and hit that subscribe button for more quick and easy recipes. Your support means the world to us. Until next time, happy cooking. We can't wait to see you again with another delicious recipe.